Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing. Checking out this salad spinner. Let's see if I get this open real quick. One-handed design for maximum drying with minimum effort. Well, speaking of minimum effort, I'm just going to try to get this little thing off here. It's going to let me. So, salad spinners are nice. If you try to wash like different lettuces or like spinach, things like that, leafy vegetables. Let's get started. Okay, hand wash. Here we have our little salad spinning instructions here. Seems simple enough. We had one with a cord before where you pull the cord, and that worked pretty good until the cord broke, and then I tried to repair it but was not able to do so. So this features a nice clear bowl, and in a pinch you could use this for other instances. You can put your salad right in here. What's nice is a nice rubber silicone type base here, so if you're going to spin it, it's not going to dance all over the place. Here's our spinning bowl right there. And then right here we have our lid. All right, I wonder what kind of, all right, remove white foam before use, okay. White foam thing there, remove that. Let's see, so pretty much, whoa. Okay, so apparently this is gonna pop up there. We can lock that in place, but if you probably shouldn't let it zap up like that. Keep your hand on there and move that back. And then you just press it. That's actually moving pretty fast in there. And it has a little button here. You can push it and stop it from spinning. And you can see that's rotating pretty good there, as well as this portion here. This goes on pretty much anyway, and easy to remove, but that's super easy to get that spinning. Just pretty much one little push and you got it going there. And then I like that you can also just tuck this out of the way when you're done, and it's going to be easier to store it. So all in all, seems pretty sturdy. I like that there's no cord in there to break. I'm not sure what exactly is in there that's making it move, but should be a nice. We've got some kale and lettuce and other things growing in our garden, so it's always nice once you wash it to be able to just throw it in here and give it a couple spins, get the water out of there. This has some good speed on it and should work just fine. So thanks so much for watching this video, my friends. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you all next time.